Step into the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, power driver's seat, Sirius satellite radio, audio satellite radio, MP3 sound system, wheels aluminum, remote keyless entry, trip odometer, tilt wheel and traction control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.